Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Shein login problems, app and email errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct login method, because Shein accounts can be created with email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Open Shein and tap Sign In. Then choose the same method you used when you first registered. Carefully retype your email address and make sure there are no spaces before or after it. Check that caps lock is off and your password is typed exactly, because passwords are case-sensitive. Tap Forgot Password and reset your password if you are not 100% sure about your current one. Open your email inbox and also check spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders for the reset email. If the reset email does not arrive, wait 5 minutes and request it again only once to avoid rate limits. Make sure your email storage is not full, because full inboxes can block new messages. Verify you have a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Go to your phone settings and set date and time to automatic to prevent security login errors. Restart your phone to clear temporary background issues that can block sign-in. Update the Shein app from the App Store or Google Play to fix known login bugs. If you are on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Shein, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If you are on iPhone, uninstall Shein and reinstall it to clear corrupted app data. Try logging in on the Shein website using a browser to confirm whether the issue is app-specific. If the website login works, return to the app and sign in again after the reinstall or cache clear. If you see an email already exists message, use sign in instead of sign up. If you see an incorrect password message, reset the password and avoid password managers for one attempt. If you see a too many attempts error, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes and then try once again. Disable VPN or proxy services, because they can trigger suspicious login protections. Check if Shein servers are down by searching Shein down in your browser and waiting if there is an outage. If you use Google or Apple sign-in, confirm you are logged into the correct Google account or Apple ID on your phone. For Apple sign-in with Hide My Email, check which relay email Apple created and use that same option to sign in. If you changed your email address recently, try the old email and then update it inside account settings after login. Turn off battery saver and allow background data, because restricted apps may fail to complete authentication. Review app permissions and allow network access so the app can connect properly during login. If none of these steps work, contact Shein support in the app and include screenshots of the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.